Hi friends, welcome back. My name's Melinda. Today we're going to talk about how to draw a nose using simple forms. So the first thing we need to pay attention to when looking at the nose is we got to get a feel for the angle it's at. You can use a pencil, you can use a bamboo skewer, but that's probably the first thing that I look at when I go to draw a nose. So the best way to do that is to lay one straight edge here so you can see the angle. And then I would get another straight edge and set it here so you can see when they're parallel. Now that tells us the angle the nose is going. So that's a good starting point. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to break down these angles and then I'll come back and show you the next step. The next step I want to talk about is noticing the light and shadow. The light and shadow is really what gives this image a 3D form and makes it feel realistic. The best way to do that is to squint your eyes. When people say squint, they don't really explain that your eyes are almost closed. You need to be looking through your eyelashes, and when you do that, that really separates the light and dark forms. So when you squint, you can see that this area is darker, this area is darker, there's some darks here, and you even see some midtones right here. Squinting is what allows you to see that. The nose is made up of cylinder and sphere shapes. It's not just a flat shape. So when you can use the light and shadow to convey those things, it makes it look 3D. For example, right here on the nose is kind of a cylinder shape, right? Our noses aren't flat. So when you do that and squint, you can see that the light hits all the way down here, and as the form recedes around, it gets a little darker because it's away from the light. So I'm going to go ahead and fill in some of these dark and light shapes, and then we're going to come back. As you can see, the light and shadow really makes a big difference and really makes the image pop. When we squinted our eyes, we could see that the really dark darks were here and here. Adding in those light contrasts also helps the form feel real and give us a sense of where the light's coming from. Thanks for watching. I hope these tips were useful and that you're able to use simple forms and light and shadow to draw facial features. If this video was helpful, please like it and please subscribe so that you don't miss out on more videos like this. And share it with your friends if you think it's helpful. Thanks again. See you next week.